Kali is a major goddess in Hinduism who represents time, death, violence, sexuality, and female empowerment. She is also known as a Kalika and is the first of the 10 Mahavidyas in the Hindu Tantric traditions. Kali is associated with the force of time which carries both destruction and creation. She is often called upon during disaster and epidemics as a protector. Kali's earliest appearance is that of a destroyer of evil forces. She is goddess of evil forces. She is goddess of one of the four subcategories of the Kulmarga, a category of tantric savagism over time. She has been worshipped by devotional movements and tantric sheets variously as the divine mother of the universe, Adi Shakti or Adi Parashakti. Tantra teaches that every aspect of Mahakali is from a symbol. Her appearance is not intended to inspire fear but to communicate philosophical truths about consciousness, about existence, about liberation. And her long unbounded black hair represents absolute freedom. Hair falling without restraint symbolizes a state that exists beyond social conditioning, cultural expectations, and human limitations. Mahakali is not governed by society, she represents reality in its most natural and unrestricted form. And her wide awakened eyes symbolize complete awareness, nothing remains hidden from consciousness. This suggests the ability to perceive truth beyond illusion, beyond fear, and we loved the limitations of ordinary perception. Adi represents higher knowledge. It is the eye that sees beyond the physical world into the deeper nature of existence. In a tantric philosophy, true wisdom begins where ordinary vision ends. Her black complexion carries one of the deepest meanings. Black is not interpreted as darkness of negativity. Instead, it symbolizes the infinite. Just as the sky appears black because it contains immeasurable space, Mahakali's form represents the limitless reality that contains all creation. Everything emerges from this infinite source, exists within it, and eventually returns to it. Her nudity is also symbolic. It represents primordial existence, the state before civilization, identity, status, or social role. It suggests that ultimate reality cannot be covered by labels, possessions, or human definitions. Truth exists exactly as it is, beyond all appearances. Together, these symbols present Mahakali not as a terrifying figure but as the embodiment of absolute reality. Remind us that freedom begins when conditioning ends, wisdom begins when illusion ends, and transformation begins when the false self is surrendered. According to this symbolic interpretation, Mahakali is not simply a goddess to be worshipped. She is a, she is a philosophical mirror that reflects the deepest truth of existence. Her form teaches that behind every fear lies awareness, behind every ending lies transformation, and behind the changing world exists an infinite reality that remains untouched by time. In this sense, Mahakali is not only the mother of the universe but also the symbol of the limitless consciousness from which all life emerges and to which all rise ultimately return. This is the Mahakali.